Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video I will be doing a Coach unboxing. So it's so funny guys because a few days ago I went to the Coach boutique again. So I walked in, I just look around if they have anything new that has been released for summer. And yeah, it's just pretty much like the same though. They have this LGBT rainbow collection. They still have a lot there, and I really do think that collection is lovely. It's because of this beautiful pop of color. It is perfect for summer. And I also checked their inventory as well for the summer sale, which started last month. So pretty much they're just trying to get rid of what they have left at the store. So anyway, I have two packages here. I end up getting something. Sometimes guys, there are items that are exclusively available on the website, and some of the items also that you can only purchase at the store. So anyway, I end up getting these two items here, and I was contemplating whether I wanted to purchase it or not, but the main reason why I purchased it, it's because I could not say no to the price. I mean, for the price itself, when you come to think of it, I would say, wow, it's worth it. So anyway, let me show you what I got. So yeah, once again, I always ask to have it gift wrapped all the time. If they can do that for me, that would be better. So anyway, here is the first item. Oh wow, she actually wrapped this beautifully. Look at that. And here's the first item. Can you guys guess the first item? Okay. I have here this beautiful Cassie. Oh my gosh. I was at the store. I was not planning to get anything. I was not planning to get Cassie because I already have quite a few of Cassies in my collection. But when I look at it, this one is gorgeous. It is gorgeous. Look at that. The color is amazing. And we guys all know that this one is made up of this pebbled leather, which has a little bit of a on a glossy side. Wow, I just can't get over how pretty the leather for this Cassie, guys. I mean, the structure itself, it's beautiful, and I just really love the amount of hardware on this purse. Just like the C logo right there, it looks stunning. Oh my goodness. So I end up getting this, and I was thinking that since I already have quite a few in my collection, I was thinking at the end of the day, if I'm not going to like it, I could always give this as a gift later on, maybe on Christmas or birthday, but because I mean this one is originally $425, and now it's around $200, and it's definitely worth it. You could actually gift this to anybody. You could actually give this as a gift to anybody, and it's definitely worth it. And to think that this one is one of the most versatile pieces, and also one of my most favorite from Coach. Whoever is gonna get it, definitely, if you're planning to gift it, they will definitely gonna love and adore this beauty, guys. So I end up getting this. I mean, of course, you know, look at the interior inside. It has this accordion type with interior with this three compartments right here, and then the leather is very soft. It looks, you could just use this for work. It could be any occasion though. Yeah. And this one, like I mentioned in my previous video, that Coach rarely put this color in sale, especially with the items that are actually popular. But of course, Cassie is very popular, and we guys also heard that you guys also heard that they're going to discontinue this Cassie. So as far as what I've heard, as far as I was being told, that they're going to discontinue manufacturing or crafting cassie on the pebbled leather, not the style itself. They're not going to discontinue the cassie itself, the style, but just they're trying to maybe revamping this piece. I don't know, but that's what I was being told. So we will still be able to see cassie in the next collection, but it's going to look a little bit different now, not this traditional cassie. So this is the regular size. I did my unboxing previously with the 19, which is my all-time favorite. And this one also, yeah, this one came in with the strap only. There is no chain in it. So there is no chain on this, but just this regular leather strap. And also, yeah, if you wanted to use a chain strap, you could always customize this purse. That's the nice thing about it. You could wrap this one with a twilly. You could just put any sort of embellishment that you think that would work for your purse. But guys, if you just started your collection, this is the perfect purse to go. A gift for yourself. If you would be, it could be anything. It could, I mean, this purse is so classy that you could yeah, with a business attire, with going to for use, you're gonna use this for work, for school. It could be anything. It's actually one of the most versatile pieces from Coach, though, definitely. And yeah, it is a must-have. Definitely, I will recommend it. So then again, I was thinking like, oh, I already have quite a few in my collection. Why do I need a lot in my collection? Why do I need a lot more purses? Where somehow at some point I have to stop buying so that I will be able to enjoy some of my purses. So yeah, but then again, I was at the store. I checked this online. This was still available online though. But at the store, there are some store maybe they sold out on this, but you might just want to check online. I have checked it online earlier, and this one is still available. So in such a affordable price, and you could not get wrong with this color. The price, the craftsmanship, it's amazing. You will definitely love it and adore it. And especially if you just to take care of your purse, if you know how to take care of it, it's gonna last a lifetime. Okay, so this is my the first item. So when I saw this, it's like, oh my gosh, my eye is on this cassie. What is going on? I already have quite a few, but I didn't have this color on a regular cassie. I only have the 19 and this color. The reason why, it's because this one is actually prone with color transfer, but regardless, it's beautiful. It's just gorgeous, just by itself. It is gorgeous. So anyway, this is the first item that I picked up. The second item, any guesses? So the second item is right here. And okay, it's the same thing. It's the same packaging. And let me see. Okay. Do you have any idea what this is? So this is also part of the summer sale. So I end up getting those items that is part of the summer sale. They said that the summer sale is going to end on at the end of July. So, oh gosh, here it is. Another cassie. It's another cassie in a regular size. And oh my gosh, these are the two cassies that were left at the store. And I said, I think I already have, no, I don't have it in black. Since I don't have it in black, so I needed to get it. I needed to get it. I needed to have this color in my collection. Because aside from the the multicolor, I also have those the ginger color. I have several of these, but this one is so classy. I just really love the classic look of it. I love the leather so much. This pebbled leather, oh my goodness. The top handle is perfect. This one is such a beautiful piece, and you could never get wrong on getting this or adding this in your collection. Once again, this one has this yeah, I could tell that this one is the last pieces because this one is not stuffed. The white one is actually stuffed with all the packaging. This one is just like this. I actually wouldn't mind getting that, as long as there's no damage though, because you cannot, once you return this, I don't think you'll be able to get a replacement. That's because this has already been like sold out of the store. I think this is the last item that they have for this color. And oh my gosh, this is such a stunning piece. So yeah, there's still a lot of items for the summer sale. I mean, while supply lasts, I guess. So they may not be able to, maybe in the next few weeks, all the Cassies at the store, at the boutique will be completely gone. But I think you could still find this at Macy's, Bloomingdale's, or Saks. I think they carry this, I think, in the same price as well. I will highly recommend it. So these are the two Cassies that I picked up when I was at the store. Oh my goodness, beautiful. These two colors are so classy. Oh my gosh, this two colors goes with any of your outfit. So lovely, so beautiful. So anyway, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Happy 4th of July, everyone. Bye.